Creating an online course was by far the best decision that I have ever made. Now, you're probably here because you have a desire to create a course or you're wondering if it's actually beneficial. Well, stay tuned because I'm going to share 4 reasons why you need to create and launch your very own online course. Now, truth be told, for years, I was coaching people one-on-one in the process of writing and publishing and prospering from their books. But doing that one-on-one became extremely exhausting. I was repeating the same answers over and over again. I was giving all of my time, and it just felt like I wasn't making any progress. And so when I went back to the drawing board, all I could think about was I still wanted to have an income. I still wanted to have an impact, but I didn't know the best strategy to do this. Well, then shortly after that, I came up with the idea to create my best-selling book writing bootcamp, and immediately it took off. I started to enroll people left and right, and I had an opportunity to work with more people than I could one-on-one, and it changed my life. So whether you have a business, whether you just have a passion that you want to share with the world, creating a course is going to be the best strategy that you can utilize to make that happen. The first benefit of creating an online course is you're able to increase your income. So think about it. If you want to work with people one-on-one to teach them how to budget, you can work with people one-on-one and teach them that. But if you open up a course, you can enroll 30 people as opposed to maybe only being able to work with 5 or 10 max. Or you can enroll 300 people, or you can enroll 3,000. The effort is the same, and that's what I love about creating a course. If you're looking for an extra stream of income or you'd like to do this full time, creating an online course is definitely where it's at. Research says that it has grown to over a $300 billion industry and is set to continue to grow. And so now is the best time to get a piece of this pie. The second reason you need an online course is because it allows you to increase your impact, right? Income is great, but impact is even better. When I think about me, there's so many things that I love to share about personal development, about healing, about book writing, about course creation. I'm so passionate about so many things. And to be honest, my impact was very limited. It was limited to the speaking engagements I went to. It was limited to maybe the people that I could work with time-wise, one-on-one. But when I created a course, it really broadened that scale. It allowed me to impact people all over the world because the neat thing about a course is it reaches people where they're at. They can sign in and take the program as they see fit when it works around their schedule. So it doesn't matter if I'm working with somebody across the world that's in a totally different time zone. They can still learn that material at their leisure. I recently had a lady from Ghana reach out to me and was so highly impacted by my course that she loved it. She complimented me, but honestly, if we had tried to work together one-on-one, it probably never would have happened. Our time zones, our schedules, things like that just would have gotten in the way. And so I was so honored to be able to impact somebody at a newer and broader scale that I wouldn't have been able to do one-on-one. You also have an opportunity to impact people on a broader scale because you can share your expertise. A lot of times when we're an introvert or if we're shy or if we're nervous, we may be more intimidated about the idea of going live or going to speaking engagements. But if you pre-record a video or if you create workbooks and you sell those within your course and you give those to your audience within your course, then now you have an opportunity to impact them without stepping so far out of your comfort zone that you don't even feel like yourself. For business owners, if you're thinking of a way to increase your impact, a course is another great strategy because sometimes one-on-one it can be extremely expensive and people may not be able to afford to work with you. But if you offer them a lower package level, like a course or something like that, that still gives them some strategies that they're looking for, this is a win-win for both people, right? You have an opportunity to impact them, but reach them where they're at with their budget as well. Also, in addition to impact, research says that more people now than ever are wanting to learn online. Like over 60% of people prefer online learning because again, it meets them where they're at. And so having that opportunity to teach people online actually attracts the people that like to learn in that fashion. If you think about it, a lot of schools are moving into that direction, especially like colleges. A lot of other businesses are moving into that direction. A lot of bloggers and podcasters. And that's not by accident. It's because we recognize that learning is moving into more of an online territory. And that's another reason why this increases your impact as well. Another benefit of creating an online course is you free up your time. we are taught to believe that we only can earn money when we attend something, right? When we clock in at work, or when we're there at our 9 to 5, or when we show up and work one-on-one. But creating my course allowed me to see that I can earn money more as like a passive effort. So last summer, I took my daughters to Paris. It was a life-changing trip. But while I was in Paris, I was earning money and still impacting people. And so creating a course actually allows you to free up your time, but still increase that impact at the same time and your income as well. Finally, one of the biggest benefits of creating your own online course is it allows you to showcase your expertise with the whole world. Think about it. Do you have something that people always come to you and ask you advice on? Do you have a level of expertise that you know other people could benefit from? Creating a course is the best way to showcase this. I have a good friend of mine who's a couponer. She loves couponing. She's always saving money. And honestly, people were coming to her left and right and asking questions. One, she had no clue how to monetize it. Two, she was exhausted with continuing to explain the same tips and strategies over and over and over again. And so she stepped in to creating an online course. And when she created that online course, when people came to her and asked her for strategies or skills with couponing, she was able to offer them this course. Therefore, in getting income from something that she was passionate about and impacting and changing other people's lives. So overall, creating a course is a win-win for everybody involved. And this is why I'm such a huge advocate for you stepping in to that zone of genius, being willing to share it, and creating a course intentionally. Now, if these 4 reasons really validated your willingness to create a course, or you feel more inspired now than ever, I have great news. I know that you probably feel overwhelmed. You probably are like, I don't even know where to begin, but I'm passionate to make it happen. I'm offering a totally free guide called The Course Creation Made Simple, which will walk you through the process of creating your course without the overwhelm. Use the link below to sign up. It's totally free, and I cannot wait to see you on the inside. Until next time, I will chat with you guys later.